In this video, we will see 7 examples of inertia. But first off, what is inertia? Well, Newton's first law of motion is known as the law of inertia. The law of inertia states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. It is a natural tendency of an object to resist the change in their state of motion. This notebook does not have enough mass and therefore not enough inertia to resist the forces acting upon it. This book has much more mass and much more inertia, therefore it moves less. According to Newton's first law, the ball would continue rolling forever at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an outside force. In this instance, the outside force happened to be the friction of the floor and the ramp. Additionally, when the ball is in the top of the hill, it is pulled down by the gravity because the land at the bottom of the hill was flat. Gravity could no longer pull it downward. The coin has enough inertia to resist moving with a piece of paper, but gravity acts upon it and falls to the bottom of the glass. Let us consider these two types of vehicles, the truck and a motorcycle. The truck has a greater mass, therefore it has a greater inertia. Comparing to the motorcycle, it has a lesser mass, and therefore the inertia is lesser. Though a force was applied upwards, there is no change in the forces applied along the horizontal direction. Therefore, the ball maintains its horizontal velocity relative to the motorcycle. The takeaway message here is that the ball will fall back to the exact same point on the motorcycle from which it was thrown. And that's physics. See you next week.